Hey guys, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are. And in today's video, I'm showing you guys my morning routine. This is what I do in the morning. This is what I've been doing ever since I've been home from school for a very long time. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like skincare. I show you the items that I use during the day, and I mention the items that I do during the night. Let me know if you actually want to see me use the items at night, because I wash my face completely different at night. So let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're new here, hello, I am Gina, and today's a skincare video. Everybody loves skincare videos. I love skincare videos, and I love skincare to begin with. So just keep on watching. Let's just get right on into it. Okay, so the first thing I do is grab my headband. And I put this on to do my skincare, because we're gonna wash our face, because you gotta wash your face from your nighttime skincare routine before you do anything new for your new skincare routine. So my hair is in this like very messy braid that I threw my hair in last night. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out my Invisalign. And I already washed my hands. I just didn't put them in there because of the water running. It would have been too loud. So we need to grab a new washcloth because we've been using this one for 2 days. So I grabbed our new washcloth. It is just a regular washcloth, nothing special. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the water on, but we want it to be like lukewarm, kind of. And we are going to be using the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. This is what I've been using to do washing my face in the morning. I really do enjoy it, but I want to use up this bottle first. Like, as you can tell, it's almost all out, but I want to use this first to see how I actually like it. There's actually 1 fluid ounce in this little bottle, but we'll see. So I am going to cleanse my face with this, but first we gotta get the water running, so it's gonna take a little bit to get it where I want it to go. But while we're waiting for it to warm up, what I do is I take my hands under it and I will get it wet, because the cold water kind of wakes you up. So we have our face washed. We're just gonna use this water to clean our face. It's not at the temperature I would really like it to, but we're gonna do it anyway. So I just take 1 little pump. As you can tell, it's like kind of like jelly-ish. And we're just gonna rub that in. Now, I was keeping the water running because it needs to get warm, and it takes a little bit to get the warm water going. It's not that quick. There we go. And literally all we do is we just get our hands wet, and we kind of just do this. Take our towel. And this is a headband that's like specially for skincare, so it's meant to get wet if it does. So now that we cleansed our face, it is now time to do our toner. So let me get my toner. It's completely different from when I use at night. I'll show you what I also use at night as well. Okay, so this is the toner that I use in the morning. Right now it's just a little sample bottle. So this is the Dr. Andrew Weil for Origins. This is the Mega Mushroom Skin Relief. This is the micellar cleanser. This is kind of like a toner. This is what it looks like. And then at nighttime, I use the Ole Henderson Transform Glow 2OH Dark Spot Toner. This is what I use at night, but you're supposed to use a different toner in the morning. And this is the nighttime toner only. So we're going to keep it that way. And what I take is this little cotton round. Just like this. And then since this doesn't have like a squeeze bottle like my other one does, what I do is I take this and I kind of just dump it like this 3 times. And then this literally does my whole face. Just apply it everywhere. It's been working really good on my skin. So you do it on your face as well. And then you also want to get your neck. I'm really doing my neck lately, so I would suggest it as well. And then I'm going to let that sit for a little bit. But while I let that sit, we're going to do some under eye masks. The under eye masks that we are using are the Florence by Mills. This is the Swimming Under the Eye gel pads, and these are the patches. There's 60 of these in one, so I can use these. So And I'll show you guys how I apply them, because I apply them completely different than I did from my video that I did where I reviewed them. So, see this little whale? We put the tail underneath my eye, like this. And then we'll put another one under here. And then we rub it in because it is meant to be cooling. And now we set a timer. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 10 minutes.
So we have this set for 10 minutes. So you can have these on for 5 to 10 minutes. I do 10 minutes because I have those purpleness underneath my eyes. And then while I'm waiting for the 10 minutes, I take my Airborne. These are the original help support your immune system. This is the very berry. I've been taking these way before any of this stuff has been happening with the world and everything. I've been taking these since freshman year of college, so I use them. They really help because, okay, the reason I've been taking them since college, since I started freshman year, is because if you don't know something, college kids go to school when they're sick because we can't really afford to miss class. And if you have a professor like I do this semester, we have mandatory attendance, so you have to go when you're sick, which is honestly kind of sucks, but it's also just an annoying part. And I took 3 of these. I need one more. I take 3 once a day in the morning, and this really helps, and it's really amazing, and I really do like them. So then what we're gonna do while we're waiting for this is we're gonna go get some juice, because that's also what I do when it's time. I'm gonna be talking a little bit quietly because everyone's still sleeping and I'm up, and so, you know. So first we're going to undo all of our blinds. We have 7 minutes left on our timer, so we are going to get some juice. I'm going to get a glass. Going back in my bathroom because everyone's asleep. So I still have 5 minutes and 12 seconds on this. So I really don't do much while I'm on this. I'll sit on my phone, but figured I could talk to you guys while we're doing this. So ever since we've been in this stay at home, or honestly ever since I haven't been in classes, I've really been doing my skincare routine. So I've been doing it twice a day, which is what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to do it morning and a nighttime one. And I use the same products other than my toner. Oh, and my serum I use different. So when I show you guys my serum after this, I'll show you what serum I use at night. But everything else stays basically the same. So I go back to school on Monday. Not fully back to school, but I have my online classes start. And while I'm waiting for this, I can take this down and we can brush my hair. Because I don't know what kind of braid this is in, because it was a mess. A hot mess. This is the type of brush I use. It's got the bristles and the like actual brush thing. So look at how crazy this hair looks. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but my hair has been a little bit darker, and I really have to show you guys the product that I use to make it darker. So while we're waiting for this, I will show you, and we're gonna put this back on because it's not time to do our hair yet. And what we do is we just take the rest of it and put it in a ponytail. But I'll show you what I use to make my hair darker, and it's been staying in my hair for a pretty long time. So let me show you. This product, it's another product that's by Kathleen Lights. Are we surprised? No. So this is the Maracuja, I don't know. the Moroccan oil. Yeah, Moroccan oil, that's better. This is the color depositing mask. This is for light brown to dark hair. This is a temporary color. This is a deep conditioning mask, but it is a color one. So I got it in the shade Cocoa, and it's what made my hair this dark. It's now just starting to fade because it's a washout, and it takes, it depends on how long, like how much you wash your hair. If you wash your hair every day, it's gonna come out quicker. But I wash my hair every 3 days. I wash my body every day. I shower every day. Just my hair gets washed every 3 days because I'm trying to get it to grow. And I noticed that when I washed every 3 days, it grew more, and you don't really have to wash your hair every day. Anyway, so I really used this and I liked it. You put it on your hair for 5 to 7 minutes. I did 6 because I wanted to see how it was, and it came out beautifully, and I really did enjoy it. Really did enjoy it. So I would highly recommend this if you are looking for it. They have also like colors that if you want to do wild colors in your hair, they have those as well, but they suggest that you do it with your blonde. But I low-key kind of, since it's just a deep conditioning mask and it will wash out and it doesn't do any harm to your hair. So we have a minute left, but I'm honestly going to take them off now because they are feeling dry, and when they feel like they're dried, you can take them off because they're not really doing anything anymore if they're no longer like feeling moisturizing. I take those off, and what you do after you throw them away is you take whatever serum was left on there, and normally I don't have a lot, and you rub it in. So the serum I'm using today is the Glow Recipe Pineapple Sea Bright Serum. This is what I use in the morning, and then at night I use the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Serum. And you literally just take it in this little thing, and I put it on my hand, and we take this amount and we just rub it on in our face. I really do like this stuff. It feels so good. It does brighten your skin up. So if you're feeling like your skin's looking a little dull and has like no brightness to it, I would highly recommend trying this. And you like push everything up. And then the next thing I do is you're supposed to do eye cream next. So I have this little scooper, and this is the eye cream I'm using. This is the Daily Eye Cream. This is from Fourth Ray Beauty. So this is ColourPop's what would you call this? This is ColourPop's skincare brand, sister brand, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I've used a decent amount of this because I do use it every day and every night. So all you literally need is not even that amount. You need literally this tiny amount. And you put it on your finger. And what I do is I rub it in here for a little bit. I don't know why I do this, but I do. And then I apply it here and on my eyelid because your eyelids get dry too, and they can crease as well. And then you just apply it underneath your eye. This is what you do, and I really do enjoy it. And then for my moisturizer, which is our last step of our routine, is I use the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. This is the blue one. I don't use the water cream. I use the Dewy Skin one because it says it's ultra hydrating and anti-aging, replenishing Japanese purple rice for dry skin. You know I have dry skin, so it comes with this little scooper thing. They all do. And you take it and look at how beautiful this looks. So what you do is you take this and you scoop like that amount onto it, put it on your finger, and you rub it on your face and up on your forehead. And what I do is I disperse the product on me first, and then I start rubbing it up. One, this is what you're supposed to do when you do like skincare and stuff because you don't want to be pulling on your face. So you want to like pull it up, but it also depuffs your face. So my face was a little puffy earlier and it's red, but like you can kind of see my lines coming back from my jaw. And then up here, you're supposed to go upwards because your fine lines are pulling you down. So you go up. This is what I've seen, and then I just go out like this. I have some on my nose. I need to apply a tiny bit more because I didn't actually put as much as I needed. I'll put more up here and then more here and here. And you literally just apply it like this. And that is literally everything we do for our skincare routine. And that is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you like skincare and if you just liked it. Also click that notification bell so you know every time that I upload a video. I would really love if you guys had my notifications on so you got notified every time I put a video up and you knew what was going on with my channel. And hit that subscribe button and join the fam if you would love to watch more of my videos. And I would love to have you guys, and our goal is to reach 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And we're actually getting close. We're at like 1,826, I believe, which is so sick and awesome. I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.